Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Well, today's video is way different because it's an announcement. It's a not so good announcement and some good announcements. So lemons and lemonade. So I had experienced some computer difficulty. I actually discovered that my hard drive failed. About a month or two ago, it's closer to 2 months ago, I was having difficulties with my computer. And so in order to create film or videos for YouTube, it's easier if your computer is working faster. Well, it was lagging. So what I decided to do is I tried all these different things and I really felt like I needed to take it back to almost the factory settings. So I took everything from my computer and put it on my hard drive, and that's where I store all my YouTube channel videos, all my raw videos, all my raw data in the sense of photos. All of that stuff gets put on my hard drive. Well, in that process, I did my computer, got that all taken care of. Fast forward to about 2 weeks later, I'm starting to work on some videos, and lo and behold, I can't get into my hard drive. Nothing. Can't find anything. It has completely failed. And so that was devastating, thinking that all these videos and all of this hard work that I have been doing over the last, 5-6 months, creating data for you to put into new videos, and then of course the last 2 years of videos as well. I really thought about that, and that is okay, but I lost all my family photos and I lost all my family videos that I had stored on that. So right now it's in a shop. Hopefully they're going to be able to retrieve it. As of this afternoon, I had heard that they can't do it, so they're going to have to send it out and find out if this company that they work with can do it. So what I have decided to do is take, like I said, lemons and make lemonade. And although this is really hard on me to know that some of that footage, well, really a lot of that footage, all of it, except for what I have on my phone and what I have on my cloud, is gone, possibly gone. I still have my kids and I still have my YouTube channel. So what I've decided to do is just reinvent my channel a little bit, tweak it to be more me. So when I first started about 2 years ago in YouTube land, I was really watching other creators, not just artist creators, but other creators of YouTube, and getting their advice and do this kind of thumbnail and do this kind of video and do this and do that. And I kind of put all of that together and kind of created, good footage, good videos, but it wasn't me. And so this is my opportunity to rebrand it and really showcase what is me. And so I want to take this opportunity and create a new or upgraded brand of my YouTube channel. So over the next couple weeks, you're going to see some videos that I have quickly put together, so that way you have videos that you're learning from and gleaning information from over the next few weeks. Because I still want you to be able to get videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays like I have been doing here recently. And then I want to transition into a new style and slightly different, maybe a little bit more upgraded or modernized. So this is your opportunity too to tell me down below what kind of videos that you like. Do you like the how-tos of mixing and pouring the paints and the actual techniques? Do you like the chemistry behind it? Do you like the experiments? Do you like it all? I kind of do it all. I do. Because fluid art and pouring paints isn't just about taking paint and making them fluid and just slapping it on a canvas. There's a lot more to it. There's actually science and chemistry to it. So I just wanted to bring this announcement to you to let you know that I am taking this opportunity to revamp my channel. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Let me know down below what you really would like to see in a fluid art pouring paint YouTube channel. And then like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. And for those of you who are my followers right now, thank you so much for staying with me. All right, Well, thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoy this channel, and I hope you enjoy the videos I have prepared for you in the past and what will be coming in the future. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you liked this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.